Hi, we live in a world with all kind of issues which is impacting our life on day-to-day basis. Today, I would love to draw your attention to the quality of water that we consume and how we store the water for consumption. We cannot control the quality of water from the source, and rainwater is the main source, which picks up wind-blown dirt, leaves, fecal dropping from the animals. This water is pumped from the source and stored in overhead tanks. Poor hygiene in water from tanks and at the point of use can present health concerns. Storage tanks can present the breeding ground for mosquitoes, including the species that transmit dengue virus. Sunlight promotes algal growth, so covered water tanks should be used. Waterborne diseases cause millions of deaths each year, mainly among children under 5 years of age. In the developing world, almost 5 million deaths per year are directly attributable to the waterborne diseases. Coliform bacteria results from environmental contamination. It is important that we clean our overhead tanks every 2 months. We have the Hanbaz water tank cleaner from Eurotech to do your water tank cleaning in a jiffy. Come, let's see how it works. Open the box. Telescopic handle, brush head with hose, twist to extend the handle, snap on the handle and you are ready to go. Cut the tap to release the hose. Open the valve and fill up the hose with water. Inside the tank.